My name is Dr. Jessie Young-Robertson. I am the co-director of research in the Forest Soils Lab, which is part of IANRE, the Institute of Agriculture, Natural Resources and Extension at the University of Alaska Fairbanks. And behind me here, I have a field site where I will take you so that I can tell you about the research that's going on in the lab. So the leaves are coming out, and in a moment I'll tell you why this is such an important time of year. Here is our data logging station. This tree is a white spruce. This sensor here measures growth and changes in size that are due to other things other than growth. And then this sensor down here, this white one, measures water content. Here we can see the same sensors on this tree. This is a birch. And we also have these sensors in aspen. So our sites, we have approximately 9 established throughout the Fairbanks area and outside of Fairbanks. But this site is quite typical of a south-facing site with either very deep permafrost or no permafrost at all. So with all these sensors and all these sites, what we are interested in is how much water the trees are using and what their patterns look like over the year. So, for example, we know that the snow has been melting over the last 2 to 3 weeks, and this is when the birch trees get very, very full of water. And so anyone that taps birch trees for sap knows that we're almost right at the end of the season for being able to get water from those trees. Because as I showed you earlier, the leaves are coming out and the trees are going to move a lot of that water into the atmosphere. But the trees, the white spruce, the aspen, and the birch, store a lot of the water in their trunks and they use it over the summer. And so it helps them when we have really dry periods because they're holding on to their own water that they can sip from. Now if it rains, they will also use that water. But what we've found is that the trees take up a really large amount of snowmelt water, and it's critical for their survival. Another aspect of our research is determining the best time of the year to harvest your firewood so that the trees are at their lowest water content. So we actually have a drying experiment going on at the university to figure out how long you need to dry your wood for if you cut the trees at different water contents. So this research is being funded by the USDA, and we hope to start sharing data with the public through our website, hopefully in the next month or so. Thank you for listening.